Welcome back, everybody. So it is time for our final giveaway before the big day on the 31st. That's right, it's almost Halloween. I'm so looking forward to it, and I hope you all are out there as well. And I've got a fun giveaway for you this month. I can't wait to show it to you. I think you're going to enjoy it. However, as I always do, it is time first to give a special shout out to our patrons out there, the ones that help support the channel, help these giveaways, and are just all around awesome people. So I did get a brand new patron this month. So special shout out to Nancy Hoffman. Nancy, thank you for joining the Fright Club. Really appreciate it. Again, your support is invaluable to me. Nancy joins the other wonderful people, including Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Erie Eric, Frady Zone, Gareth Frewer, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Jared O'Lantern, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skullcrane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Shrutek, Stephen Miles, Tiara, and Terry and Jacob's World. Thank you all for supporting the channel. If anyone else out there wants to help support Happy Haunting, you are more than welcome to join my Patreon team. There is a description in the link below, or a link in the description below, I should say, that'll take you to my Patreon page and show you all of the benefits of being a patron, which includes an extra entry in all of my giveaways. I did want to take a moment to look at those patrons who have YouTube channels to see what they're up to and share that with you before we get on to that giveaway. All right, first up here we have Indiana Jones, and she has been doing videos every single day lately, mostly crafting, but not only crafting, she does them while doing fantastic cosplay, where she dresses up as like Hocus Pocus characters and Harry Potter characters and so forth. The amount of time and energy she puts into these is astounding. But let's see, what has she been up to lately since our last check-in? Again, she does them every single day, so I can't show you every video she's worked on, but lately she's been doing some Dia de los Muertos videos, touring the Deering Estate live, which was amazing. Mad Hatter's Tea Party, some making of Audrey. I need to make one of those one of these days. So that's just a sampling. She does all sorts of crafting and DIYs and cocktails and recipes, and most, like I said, are live, so you can interact and chat with her, and it's just an all-around good time. So check out Indiana Jones. All right, next up we have Frady Zone. And since we last checked in with Frady, I believe she has done, I don't want to butcher this name, Arendi and Griselda Save Halloween, which was a fantastically fun video. And then she has gotten herself a rotten flaming pumpkin. I have one of those from Home Depot. I absolutely love it. It looks like she has gotten the second version. There's two designs, so take a look at hers if you want to see the one that I don't have. Next up, we have Create at Home with G, who's also another crafter. Does a lot of videos on making cards and so forth. But let's see, lately, what have we been up to? We've been doing some fall decorating. It's a fantastic decorator. 24 Weeks of Christmas. I won't fault him for that, because next up he did a Halloween Frankenstein candle holder that I thought was just amazing. One of these days when I do a Frankenstein theme, I'm definitely coming back to this video so I can do that. So check out Create at Home with G, as well as Halloween Inflatable Geek. So Halloween Inflatable Geek, what have you been up to? Looks like we've been doing some shopping at CVS, Rite Aid. Thank you for doing that. I haven't had a chance to make my way to Rite Aid yet this year, and I think you may have saved me a trip. Big Lots, I did do a trip to Big Lots myself, and it looks like, though, you've seen some stuff that I didn't get to see as well. So check out his store walkthroughs, but obviously he also does videos as a Halloween Inflatable Geek would on inflatables, so especially the Halloween kind. Check him out. Next up, we have Jared O'Lantern. Jared O'Lantern does fantastic Halloween videos as well. Usually a wonderful Halloween haunted house every year, but I think he's skipping it this year, which is kind of sad, which is why I think since our last time we checked in, I can't remember if we saw these last time. I think we did Miss Mercy review and decorating his fireplace. So kind of sad that I don't see any Halloween haunt updates yet, but obviously if we're not doing it, you know, I'm sad we're missing out. But check out all his past year's videos because he's got some good stuff to share with you. Skull Crane Entertainment. I put out my 9-inch mini interactive talking busts here on my desk just for you today. But he does a lot of reviews of props. So if you're thinking of buying some sort of Halloween prop, be sure to check out his videos because he probably has done a review on it, and then you can see if it's worth buying or not. Some of the things that he's looked at since our last check-in. Here was a spirit animated flapping gargoyle. I have this, and someone literally was just asking me where to find it right before this video. So lots of things to check out. I love this creepy looking fish. This guy, this 6-foot life-size quivering doorman, is so creepy looking. I absolutely love him. But there's lots more to check out on his channel. Spooky Bev does some spooky videos too, but it doesn't look like she's been up to posting anything recently. But go ahead and give her channel a look. She does some fun Halloween vlogs and so forth. Obviously from last year, but it's a good way to catch up or get excited about the season, I should say. But Spooky Spectacle has some new videos for us. And let's see, what has she done? Again, I can't remember where we last left off. I think we saw these last time. So up next we have the Halloween scarecrow decoration. I really liked the way she did this too with the sticks. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, you're going to have to watch the video. But she's also done a Halloween haul and a DIY mausoleum that is, it looks pretty easy to do, very clever, and you should definitely check that out if you need a mausoleum for your haunt. And then last up we have Terry and Jacob's World, and they also do videos just about every day, sometimes more than once a day, so there's lots to catch up on. Some of the things since our last check-in. Let's see. Oh, this is awesome. The jumping critter versus spider, and I think that is kind of a neat prop. If a jumping critter tried to attack me like that, I'd probably have a heart attack. All right, here we have a nice little happy haunting video. Oh my gosh, I haven't even checked this out yet. You'll have to forgive me, Terry and Jacob's World. I get so behind trying to keep up with everything. But look, there is a happy haunting shirt there, so I'm going to watch that as soon as we get off this video here. But let's see, Miserable Marie, or is it Mary? Anyway, what else have we got? Started our Halloween haunt part 1 and then our haunt part 2. So we can definitely see what they're up to. I kind of took a sneak peek already at part 2, and it looks very interesting. So check out Terry and Jacob's World for lots and lots of Halloween videos. Of course, that's just this time of year. They do lots of vlogs throughout the year, and it's always interesting to see what they're up to. All right, with all that housekeeping out of the way, it is the time you've all been waiting for. It's time to see what we're going to be giving away this month, and it is not a fun box of goodies that I know all of you love to receive. It's something I could not let this year go by without giving away. It is a happy haunting inflatable. I have to get one of these for myself. So I only have one at the moment. I'm working on getting another one, so hopefully we can both enjoy one of these inflatables. How could we not? It's happy haunting. It's perfect for the channel. And it is a pretty decent size inflatable. It is 8 feet wide and I believe 5 feet tall. So this can be a commanding presence in your haunt. Hopefully you like inflatables. If you don't, you're going to learn to love them. They really grow on you. I was very hesitant to get an inflatable myself, but then I put one in my yard one year. It was a little pirate ship that was sinking. And then you just discover how easy it is to decorate with inflatables. You get this instant decoration in just seconds, and then after Halloween, it just collapses in a minute. You throw it in the box, you throw it in the garage or in the attic or wherever you store your Halloween goodies, and you're done. It's so easy. So I'm here to make your life easy. And that's what we're going to do this month by giving away the Happy Haunting Inflatable. And we're going to do this in a week's time so that I can still get this to you in time for Halloween. So we're going to give it away on Tuesday the 20th at 9 p.m. Eastern. We're going to do a live video. If you haven't done one of my live giveaways, it's actually kind of fun. You don't have to be present to win, but it's more fun if you are, because we're going to pull out a clue game like I always do. Those of you who know me, I collect clue games. And we're going to play around a clue, but not typical clue. It's an elimination clue. You'll see. I'll check out my other giveaway videos if you want to see what's up, but you don't have to worry about it. Just join us in the chat room if you like and help participate in bumping off all of your competition until there is one person who survives the elimination and wins the prize. So again, Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern, and what else? You have to enter. So this month we're going to be doing something a little bit different to enter because I am happy to announce my Happy Haunting Facebook page. Check this out. It's so sad. I have one member. That's me. It's so sad and lonely here. Won't you come and join me? I think this is going to be a nice place for us to have further discussions on a lot of not only the videos that I post, but just anything Halloween in general that we can talk about year round. It'll be a nice place for me to post reminders of when I'm doing my giveaway videos and just whatever we feel like talking about, because a lot of you out there have try and friend me on Facebook, and I used to accept everybody who wanted to friend me, but it gets a little out of hand. So I figured here we have this nice group where we can all chat and be friends together here on the Happy Haunting group page. So what I'm going to do to ask you to win this fantastic Happy Haunting inflatable is to join the Happy Haunting Facebook group page, and then I'm going to have a link to this video on the page. Please share that video and then leave me a comment in the description of the video that you have done so, and that'll get you entered to win the inflatable. Of course, if you don't want to do all of that, you can always join my Patreon team because they're automatically entered in all of the giveaways. But that's it. That's what you got to do. Be sure that you are entered before noon on the 20th, and that'll get you entered for that drawing later that night. I guess that is it. I really appreciate all of your support, everyone out there, even if you're not a Patreon supporter, everyone who likes and comments and shares the videos. It really helps out the channel, and I do appreciate it. So thank you to all of you out there. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.